Let's get to Phil LeBeau now for auto sales, which I can imagine are not looking particularly good. Phil.
David, these will be some ugly numbers today. Let's start first off with Fiat Chrysler reporting first quarter sales, a decline of 10.4%. That is weaker than the Edmunds estimate of a decline of 7.1%. For some perspective, comparing that with the fourth quarter of last year, it was down 18%. So we're clearly seeing the impact of March sales. And basically, the last 3 weeks of March is where we saw very weak sales. Fiat Chrysler out, and you'll see this from a number of automakers if they haven't already done it. It's going to be offering 0% financing over 7 years. That's a new promotion. They'll begin now. No payments for 90 days. But let's be honest here. What really matters, April, May, and June. April numbers are going to be worse than anybody predicted. May's not going to be much better. We'll also be getting GM numbers a little bit later on today. And one other note, Porsche out with its Q1 sales, down 20.2%. Bottom line is this, guys, weakest numbers likely since around 2013, 2012 in terms of first quarter sales, and that's how weak they're going to be. Guys, back to you.
Yeah. Phil, I mean, quickly, where do we stand in terms of manufacturing plans? Obviously, many dealerships across the country are closed as well at this point, correct?
All the manufacturing plants, there is not a single major manufacturing plant, final assembly plant that is working right now in the U.S. They're all completely shut down. So you've got no manufacturing going on. In terms of dealerships, you'll hear this story out there, David. You'll hear dealers saying, well, you can still order online. You can still buy and we'll deliver to you. That's a drop in the bucket compared to what they usually do. They're essentially shut down for most of the country. There are some parts of the country where they're still open, where there are not shelter-in-place orders. But generally speaking, the Northeast, Upper Midwest, West Coast, they're not operating right now. Their service bays are operating, but not in terms of sales.